High maintenance costs, a common problem that many businesses grapple with yet struggle to overcome. But what if there were proven ways to significantly reduce these costs? It's a question that has plagued many a maintenance manager and business owner alike. The costs of labor, parts, and tools all add up, impacting the bottom line. And let's not forget the toll that unexpected downtime and equipment failure can take on productivity and output. Yet what if I told you there's a silver lining? That there are not one, not two, but 8 proven strategies to significantly cut down these costs and boost your business's efficiency. From doubling down on preventive maintenance and switching to predictive maintenance, to crafting a foolproof maintenance checklist and managing inventory smartly. We'll also delve into the importance of investing in training, using high-quality parts from trustworthy suppliers, leveraging a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, and planning for emergencies. These are tried and tested tactics that can transform your maintenance operations, reduce costs, and enhance the overall productivity of your business. So, if you're ready to learn how to slash your maintenance costs, stay tuned. First up, double down on preventive maintenance. Picture this, a bustling business, let's call it Company A, once grappled with sky-high repair costs and frequent equipment breakdowns. But then, they made a significant shift. They started conducting regular equipment checks and maintenance. This preventive approach nipped potential issues in the bud, saving them from costly repairs and unscheduled downtime. Over time, Company A saw a substantial reduction in maintenance costs. And it's not just about the money. Their equipment runs smoother, lasts longer, and their operations are more efficient. Remember, prevention is always better and cheaper than cure. Next, consider switching to predictive maintenance. Imagine a world where you can foresee mechanical failures before they occur. That's what predictive maintenance offers. This approach uses historical data to anticipate when maintenance should be performed, saving costs and preventing unscheduled downtime. Let's take an example. A company was frequently facing shutdowns due to equipment failure. They switched to predictive maintenance and voila! Downtime was significantly reduced, and they saved a considerable amount in repair costs. With predictive maintenance, you can stay one step ahead of potential issues. A simple yet effective solution. Use a maintenance checklist. Now imagine a business scenario where efficiency skyrockets and costs plummet. How? By utilizing a maintenance checklist to ensure every necessary task is completed. This isn't just a piece of paper with boxes. It's your roadmap to successful maintenance, guiding your team through each step of the process, leaving no stone unturned. The benefits are clear: increased productivity, reduced errors, and less unexpected downtime. A checklist ensures nothing is overlooked, saving you from unnecessary costs down the line. Fourthly, get your inventory under control. Imagine a scenario where a business was constantly overstocking or understocking maintenance parts and supplies. Not only did this lead to wasted resources, but it also caused unnecessary downtime due to shortages. By implementing effective inventory management strategies, the business was able to significantly reduce these costs. They did this by ensuring they always had the right amount of parts and supplies on hand. No more, no less. With good inventory management, you'll always have what you need when you need it. Fifth, don't skimp on training. Imagine a scenario where a manufacturing company constantly faced equipment breakdowns. The root cause? Operator errors due to lack of proper training. So they decided to invest in comprehensive training for their staff. The result? A significant decrease in equipment mishandling and fewer costly errors. This not only reduced their maintenance costs, but also boosted productivity. Remember, a well-trained staff can identify and prevent potential issues before they escalate. Well-trained staff are a valuable asset, not a cost. Next, always use high-quality parts from trustworthy suppliers. Imagine a business. Let's call it Company X. Now, Company X decided to invest in quality parts from reliable suppliers. What happened? They noticed a significant reduction in the frequency of replacements and breakdowns. This, in turn, led to less downtime and more productivity. Sure, these quality parts did cost a bit more upfront, but guess what? Company X ended up saving a lot more in the long run. Seventh, use a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. Picture a bustling factory where the maintenance team faces a myriad of challenges. Enter CMMS, a digital hero that helps streamline processes, schedules tasks, and keeps an eagle eye on costs. This isn't a pipe dream, it's a reality for businesses worldwide. With CMMS, maintenance becomes less about extinguishing fires and more about strategic planning and execution. It simplifies life for everyone involved, from technicians to managers, leading to significant savings. A CMMS can be a game changer in managing your maintenance costs. Lastly, always plan for emergencies. Picture this: a manufacturing business faced a sudden machine breakdown. Instead of panicking, they smoothly transitioned into their pre-established emergency plan. With alternative operations in place, the downtime was minimal. They had spare parts at hand, reducing the time spent on repairs. Their trained staff knew exactly what to do, minimizing confusion and further damage. The potential high costs of unscheduled downtime were significantly mitigated, all thanks to a solid emergency plan. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. So there you have it, 8 proven ways to reduce your maintenance costs. Let's quickly recap. First, prioritize preventive maintenance and keep an eye on its performance over time. Second, consider the advantages of predictive maintenance, using historical data to optimize your maintenance intervals. Third, never underestimate the power of a comprehensive maintenance checklist. Fourth, keep a close track of your inventory to avoid any unexpected shortages. Fifth, invest in training your team to ensure they are equipped with the latest skills and knowledge. Sixth, always opt for high-quality parts from reliable suppliers. It's an investment that pays off in the long run. Seventh, make use of a computerized maintenance management system or CMMS to streamline your operations. And finally, always have an emergency plan in place because, let's face it, unexpected things happen. Each of these strategies plays a vital role in reducing your maintenance costs, ensuring business continuity, and improving overall efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and here's to lower maintenance costs in your business.